next we are going to see another 5 journal entries which are repeated and an important one. Now let us see. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Ravi. 2015 January 10th, Mohan is insolvent. Only 60% were received from him out of the debt of 5,000. That means Mohan is not able to repay his debt. That means Mohan may be a customer who has purchased goods on credit basis worth of 5,000. Now at present he is not in a position to pay the full money. He declared himself as an insolvent. That means not able to pay back his money. So he is able to pay only 60% of the 5,000. What is the 60% of 5,000? 5,000 into 60 by 100. 0 get cancelled. 0, 0. 3,000. Only he can pay as a pay 3,000 as is due. Now let us see what will be the journal entry. So cash account is the receiver of the money. Who is the receiver of the benefit here? Now cash account. This is January 10th. So cash account debited with 3,000 rupees, and the amount which is not recovered come under the bad debt account. Bad account again debited with the balance amount of 2,000. And who is the giver of the money? Mohan. Mohan account 5,000 rupees. ₹5,000. So now what is the journal entry? Being insolvent, Mohan pays 60% of rupees 5,000. So this transaction is over. Next transaction, goods worth of rupees 1,000 were given for charity. Then who is the receiver of the benefit? Receiver of the benefit is charity account. Who is the giver of the benefit? Purchases account. Giver of the benefit is purchases account. So what's the date? January 10th. Receiver of the benefit is charity account. Giver of the benefit is purchases account. Being goods given for charity. And next, paid rupees 2,000 as advance for 2 months. Okay, how will you write the journal entry? Paid rent in advance. That means what? Prepaid rent account. Prepaid rent account. Paid rent in advance means our money, the business money is someone else. That means it's an asset for the business. Some other day it will be adjusted. So that money is called as an asset for the business. We can take it in the debit side. All the assets have the DR balance. Okay. All the assets have the DR aspect. Now let's see. Prepaid. Now let us see the date. January 12th. Prepaid rent account debited. Prepaid rent account debited to cash account. How much? 2,000. Being rent paid in advance. Receiver of the benefit is prepaid rent account. Giver of the benefit is cash account. Why we are writing this in debit side? Because business money with someone else means that is an asset for the business. Some or other day it will get it back or it will be adjusted. So all the assets have the DR balance. And one asset is increasing, another asset is decreasing. This is how cash account is also an asset. This is also an asset. When one account is increasing, another account is decreasing. Then accounting equation, asset is equal to liability get adjusted. Next comes salaries for 1 month outstanding. What do you mean by salaries? Salaries for 1 month is outstanding. That means what? Who is generally when we pay the money, this year date is January 15th. When we pay the money, what will be the transaction? Salaries account. You know, all the expenses, nominal accounts are debited. All the income or profit of the nominal account is credited. Salaries are expense. So we are writing in debit side. Salaries account is debited. Suppose you pay the cash, means here cash will come. Because you are not paid the amount, it's an outstanding. So we have to write salaries outstanding account. Have to write salaries outstanding account. Now let us see how much money salaries outstanding. 2,500. One journal entry gets over. Now let's see what is the last one. On January 30th, bad debt for 2,000 has been recovered after some time. That means what? Now we are getting back this 2,000 at the end of the month. We are getting back this money. So who is the receiver of the benefit? Receiver of the benefit is cash account, debited to. Giver of the benefit is bad debt account. How much? 2,000. Being goods received, recovered from the bad debt account. Now this 5 transaction gets over. Not bad debt account, bad debt recovered account. Okay.